everybody. This is example 3, the last example of calculating volumes of a pyramid. We have the step pyramid of Djoser in Lower Egypt was the first pyramid in history of architecture. Its original height was 204 feet and had a rectangular base measuring 411 feet by 358 feet. Needs to be a T there. Which is the best estimate for the volume of the pyramid in cubic yards? And this is a multiple choice question, kind of like a test practice. So let's go ahead and draw a model of our pyramid first. It says its original height was 204 feet, and then it had a rectangular base that measured 411 feet by 358 feet. So you're going to get the fun of watching me actually draw these pyramids. Whenever I'm just doing it on my own as scratch work, I go ahead and just draw the base first, and I keep it really simple. It's 411 feet by 358 feet. And then honestly, to keep it simple, I just connect all of the corners like this, and I don't worry about what's in the front or back or making the dashed lines or anything. Like I said, I just keep it simple. Then the height of the pyramid, which I'm going to draw that in a different color just because it's on tape so that way you guys can see it, is 204 feet. And our job is to calculate the volume, but they're terrible people. You could do this and you'd get a right answer, but if you do it in cubic feet, it's not going to be right because the test prep, and sometimes people will do this to you, it says cubic yards. Oh my gosh, yards. And everything's in feet. To me, the easiest way to convert feet into yards is to do it at the very beginning and then never worry about it again. So, how many feet are in a yard? A lot of you know this from if you've ever worked with material. There's 3 feet in a yard. So I'm going to take each one of these numbers and divide it by 3. 204 divided by 3 to get the units for each side of the pyramid, and then we're going to work from there. So whenever I divide each of these by 3, 204 divided by 3 gives me 68. 358 divided by 3 gives me 119.3. 0.3 repeating technically. That's why it's going to be an estimate. 411 divided by 3 gives me 137. And all of these units are in yards now. Pay really close attention to units. Okay. So now we're going to calculate the volume. Volume is area of the base times height divided by 3 because it's a third of a prism. We're calculating the volume of a pyramid. So our area of the base, I'm going to go over here again. Our base is a rectangle, which they tell us that in their reading. So a rectangle is length times width, and our length and width, we're going to use our yards, is 137 times 119.3. So we get for our area 16,344.1 square yards. So that's the area of our base, 16,344.1 square yards. And then the height of our pyramid they gave us, but we had to convert it to yards, was 68 yards. So we're going to multiply that by 68 and then divide it all by 3. So when you type that into your handy dandy calculator, you should get 370,466.3 cubic yards. And then we have to choose the best estimate. So if you look at all of your estimates, it looks like A is the best estimate because it's 370,500 yards. So they just rounded up. Hopefully, cubic yards. Hopefully that was helpful in calculating the volume of pyramids is fun and you had a good time with this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. I want to hear from you guys, your questions, and help you guys out. Have a great day.